Growing potatoes is a fun and rewarding gardening experience. Here are the basic steps to grow potatoes. Choose the right variety. There are many different varieties of potatoes, so choose the one that's best suited for your growing conditions and intended use. Some varieties are better suited for baking, while others are better for making French fries. Planting. Potatoes should be planted in loose, well-drained soil that is free from rocks and other debris. Plant the seed potatoes about 6 inches deep and 18 inches apart. Space the rows about 3 feet apart. Soil. Potatoes prefer a loose, well-drained soil that is rich in organic matter. Before planting, work some compost or well-rotted manure into the soil. Watering. Potatoes need regular watering to grow properly. Water them deeply once a week and more frequently during hot, dry weather. Fertilizing. Potatoes are heavy feeders and require a lot of nutrients to grow properly. Fertilize with a balanced fertilizer once or twice during the growing season. Hilling. As the potato plants grow, mound soil up around the base of the plants to cover the lower stems and develop more tubers. Do this several times throughout the growing season. Weeding. Keep the area around your potatoes free from weeds, as they can compete with the potatoes for nutrients and water. Harvesting. Potatoes are ready to harvest when the tops of the plants start to die back. Carefully dig up the potatoes, being careful not to damage them. Allow them to dry out in a cool, dry place for a few days before storing. By following these steps, you should be able to grow a bountiful crop of potatoes in your garden.